Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about styling HTML with CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets. We know that it describes how HTML elements to be displayed on screen or other media. CSS can control the layout of multiple web pages. We can add CSS in our HTML page in three ways. One is inline CSS. We can use the inline CSS by using style attribute in our HTML elements, and for internal CSS we can use the style elements in head section, and for external we can use an external CSS file and can link this in the head section. So I will discuss all details about CSS in my lecture. So let's start the work. Before starting, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel. Just click on this red subscribe button and also comment. So let's start the work. Open your Sublime Text editor and save your file. From file to save as, give a name. So page style dot html. You can type any name, you know that. So now save, and here you can type HTML, and page title name we can say like page style with CSS. Okay, and now in the body section, here we'll use our CSS. So first we can see the inline CSS, and for inline CSS we can use the style attribute in our HTML elements, and inline CSS used for unique style to a single HTML element. So like if we want to make a heading, will be heading h1, heading like this is heading 1, heading 1. So by default its text color is black. So if we want to change the color by using the style attribute, how can we do this? Just type style in the head h1 and you can select a color like color blue, and now save, and let's see in the browser. Open folder, this one. So open with a browser, Firefox. So here you can see this is our inline CSS we are applying in our head, and its color is changed with blue. So this is called inline CSS, and now I will show you how can we use the internal CSS. And we can use the internal CSS in the head section with style elements, and we use the internal CSS for a single HTML page. Like if we want to change anything in our body, like if we are create a paragraph, this is a paragraph. So here if we want to change the paragraph style, like font size or text color, we can change it by using the style in the head section, style here. So in the head style we can apply the CSS. Like if we want to change the body background color, then we can type body and then second bracket, and here background color, this one you can see background color, anything you can type, like yellow background. And we also want to change the paragraph style, so we can type here the color 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 red, and you can also change the font size font size size like 35 pixel. And now save, and let's see again in the browser, just refresh. So here you can see our background color changed and paragraph also changed, the font size and the color. So this is the inline CSS we are applying, and now I will show you how can we use the external CSS. Um, an external style sheet is used for style many pages. We can use the external CSS file for um, more pages, and when we work longer or in a big project, then we will definitely use the external CSS, and it's easiest to work. And for external style sheet, we can write in any text editor, like here we are using the Sublime Text 3, so we can also create the external CSS file, but file extension must be different. We will save our file by using .css. So let's see, open a file, new file, and save it, save as style.css. So extension must be .css, and now save. So this is the external CSS file, and we should link this file in the head section here. So this internal CSS now I remove, and here I will use the link for external CSS, link, and enter. So link real is the link type style sheet, and real will be the style sheet, and type must be the text or text CSS, and reference we will use the reference here, like style dot our um, file extension we will use here style dot css, this one. So our file is linked. So now in this file we can work. So here we can use the style. How can we use this, like body, for a body in previous I show you the body background color is changed with the internal CSS, but external CSS we can apply this like body background color green. So we are applying the green body background color, and we can also use the paragraph. For a paragraph we can change the color like orange, and font size we can change the font size also, font size like 40 pixel. Now save, and let's see in the browser again, refresh. So here you can see we are adding the external CSS file in our HTML page with using this link, and our page already changed. So by this way we can use the CSS in HTML. There is a lot of work of CSS. In my CSS tutorial I will explain everything, and you will learn many more things in my CSS tutorial. So this is three ways to use CSS in HTML. In my next tutorial I will explain many more things. So thank you to watching my videos, and stay with me, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.